Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you a review of Princess Thorn and Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, finally guys, I could get this Princess Thorn Seed, and this is the rarest plant in this Beanstalk update. And before you plant the seed on your garden, better if you watch this video. You can see how the Princess Thorn looks like. Okay, the plant will look like this, and better if you prepare big space for this plant. Okay, and it's really tall guys, and it can grow even more bigger, and it can be huge when you put on sprinkler, especially master sprinkler and the grandmaster sprinkler. Okay, and now let's harvest this Princess Thorn. Okay, so you can harvest it one time, but I think, yeah, it's still worth because you can harvest it multiple. I mean, this is multiple harvest plant, but you can only collect one Princess Thorn. Okay, and let's see the value of it, the base value. But sorry, I think the Princess Thorn has already mutated to Windstruck, but that's okay. Let's see the value of it. Okay, my Windstruck Princess Thorn, it only got one mutation, and I'm going to click on I want to sell this. Okay, and yeah, that's great. If you put mutation, I think it will be even better. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.